Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open the LinkedIn application, and now in this LinkedIn page, you just have to open your profile first at the top left in the corner of your screen. Just go ahead. And now just tap on your profile. If you want to add many skills, you just have to scroll it down on this profile page. You just have to scroll it down like this until we'll find here the skills options. If you want to add it, tap on this add skills button like this. And after here, you just have to enter your skills, guys. And here at the bottom, we'll see the suggested based on your profile. You just have to choose here for the skills, or if you don't see your skills here for the suggested, you just have to tap here at the search bar. For example, here I'm gonna add for drawing for my skills, guys. So yeah, if you're done, you just have to tap on this save button here at the bottom. And yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.